Are you looking for the best moving company in Denver? From residential moves to office relocations and everything in between, we've got you covered. Let's explore why we're Denver's top choice for moving. 3 Movers is your go-to moving company in Denver, offering a wide range of services to meet all your needs. We specialize in. We understand that some items need special care. Whether it's fragile artwork, electronics, or heavy furniture, our team is trained to handle delicate items with the utmost care. We're fully equipped to move your valuables safely. When hiring a long-distance mover, it's important to choose a company you can trust. 3 Movers is licensed and insured with a perfect safety record. We are registered with the Federal Motor Carrier Safety Administration, FMCSA, ensuring a safe and reliable move for our clients. Always ask for documentation of a company's insurance coverage, business license, and references before committing. We make sure to provide all of this up front so you can feel confident in your decision. Long-distance moves can be stressful, but with 3 Movers, we make the process simple and affordable. Our expert team provides clear estimates, transparent pricing, and personalized service to ensure that your long-distance move is smooth and within budget. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. If you're looking for reliable, professional, and affordable moving services in Denver, 3 Movers is the company for you. We'll handle the heavy lifting so you can enjoy your fresh start.